Hi everyone, this is a calculator video about the date function. So I'm going to use numbers 1 through 4 on the lesson for section 11.2. So you can go to that video to see these, or the notes that I post, right? You can pull those up to see what I'm talking about on this. So we're going to be on number 1, and that's on slide 8 or 9. I'm not sure exactly which one, but we are going to calculate 45 days from September 24th, 2021. Okay, so on our calculator, we have to press second, and then see right here above the 1, it says date. I'm going to press the 1. And on your screen, you see 12/31/1990. I reset the calculator right before I started this, so that's usually the date that it starts on. Now, I'm going to put in September 24th, 2021. So here's how you enter a date. You put the month and then the decimal. So my month is 9 for September. The date is the 24th. So I type in 24 of 21. I'm going to double check my numbers. Okay. And then I press enter. Now when I scroll down, this is the beginning date. When I scroll down, I'm on DT2, which is the ending date, and I need days between dates. So I'm going to scroll down one more time. So the days between dates are going to be 45 days. I'm going to put in 45. When you see the 45 on your screen for DVD, press enter. Scroll back up, and I'm on DT2, which is my ending date, and I simply press compute. Okay, so 45 days after September 24th is November 8th on a Monday. I think it's kind of cool that it shows you the day of the week. All right, on to number 2. On number 2, we're going to compute 90 days after November 5th of 2020. Okay, so I'm going to go back up, and I'm on DT1. So November is 11 for the month, and it's the 5th day of the month in 2020. All right, so 11.0520, that is correct. So I press enter. I scroll down 2 to get to DVD, and this time I'm going to put in the 90. So you put the 90 on your screen. Make sure you press enter. You see the little triangle above the 90, that shows that you have entered the 90. Now I scroll back up 1 to DT2. And here is where I compute. So when I compute, I get February 3rd of 2021. That would make sense for 90 days after November, right? November, December, January, February. And you can see that that is computed in a reasonable way. You know, if you get something that doesn't seem reasonable, go back and check your numbers. It's easy to accidentally enter the wrong thing and then mess it up. Okay, number 3. Calculate the number of days between May 21st and August 23rd of 2021. Okay, so I'm going to put in May 21st, 2021. I have to scroll back up to DT1. So May is the 5th month. I'm putting in, let's see, the 21st of 21. Okay, I'm going to double check my screen. Yes, May 21 of 21. Press enter. Scroll down 1 to DT2, which is our ending date, and we are going to put August 23rd. So August is the 8th month. I want the 23rd of 21. Double check your number before you push enter, and you can see that I've got the right numbers in there. Press enter. Notice how it changes it to something that looks like a date now. We have to put the right format in, but then it looks like a date on our screen. I'm going to scroll down 1 because I'm going to compute the days between dates. and I get 94 days. And I think that would make sense if you counted up May, June, July, August. Seems like a reasonable time to have 94 days. Okay, number 4, just for fun, is what I said on here. Calculate the date that was 1,095 days before February 14th of 2021. So on this one, I'm computing the beginning date, not the ending date. So since I'm on DBD, I'm just going to go ahead and put in the 1,095. I'm double checking my numbers here. 1,095 and press enter. I'm going to scroll up to DT2 and I'm putting in the February date for DT2 because I'm calculating the beginning date this time, and it was February 14th. So 2/14 of 21. I could use current dates, but I want to match my notes so that you guys can have those same ones to look at. Press enter, and I've got that on the screen, and then I'm going to scroll up. Now let's think about 1,095 days. I'm going to compute approximately in my head, that's 3 years or so. So it was a Thursday in 2018, and remember this ending date was 2021, so about 3 years. Yeah, right there. Maybe that was exactly 3 years. I'm not sure. I didn't calculate that. Okay, so that was questions 1 through 4. One thing that I have students do sometimes is, see when you were like 10,000 days old and some things like that. That's kind of fun, which you would put in your birth date for your beginning date and 10,000 for days between dates, and then calculate or compute DT2 on that. Okay, I hope this is helpful because the date functions can get a little confusing. Bye, everyone.